Good morning, futures traders. This is David on May 11th, 2022. Just getting going here in the markets. It is 8:42. Everything's moving really fast. VIX is up. VXN is up, the volatility. So everything is moving pretty quick. That was the ES. I'm looking at the ES right, or not the ES, but the NQ right now. That was the ES. See how much it's jumping? So I believe I will just give it a little rest here, see what oil's doing. Line it up. Okay, it looks like it's going up. Oh yeah, she's way above the daily support. So oil is heading up. And the ES, everything is down. Otherwise it's down. Let's see here. We'll just keep an eye on the NQ. A little bit of chop suey there. This is the power ripper from True Trade. I haven't fired one off yet. Been some dominant down moves and then some retracements. Yeah, down move. Up moves, retracing back for the down move. Yeah, there's an up move, good one. It's just too much of a ping pong to get into. I'd rather have it a little bit less like a jukebox, or not a jukebox, but a pinball machine. Bouncing here, there, boing, boing, boing. Oil's really gone up. It went up from 102.50 all the way up to 105.30, 49 in just the last 18 minutes, 20 minutes. Oil opens up at 8 o'clock, the pit opens, and it's been going gangbusters up. So we're going to be paying more at the pump. Thanks, Joe Biden. But it's good for traders because you make lots of money. Yeah, it's kind of slowing down. Matter of fact, let's turn it on and see what we can get. See which one hits first, either the Nasdaq or the ES. I think it'll be the Nasdaq. I've got it on auto 2, which is a little more pickier setting.
Order submitted.
I guess I was wrong, the ES.
Order filled.
Okay, come back down.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Come on down. Oh yeah, it wants to come down.
Order canceled.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what the other one did. Okay, 323. That's fine. I'll leave it on this. That way I can focus on one. So I'm up. What am I up? 1,500 plus 300, 1,800 roughly. Let's see. The NQ really has good direction, a lot better than the ES. See, I like that auto too. The trades are more controlled. Keep it there. Yeah, it is starting to slow down now, I can tell. Somebody always says they clean up all their from the overnight orders. That's why it's such a ping pong. All the orders they've clear out. And then when the regular traders come in, then they're moving it in the direction the buyers and the sellers are setting up which levels they want to buy and sell at. Market makers are the ones making the moves for them, but they set up the basics, and then the rest of us, the hedge funds and all the big boys, then they'll either buy in, push it up, or sell it down. They've got their zones that they want to buy. We're just along for the ride. Oh, it's really being picky. Let's see what this one will do. Wow, that was a long run. Should be a pullback. Can't go up forever.
Order filled.
Here we go.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Okay. Look at that. I told you 2,000 to 2,500. And I hit it. Oh, I got another one here I didn't see. The NQ hit. So today's totals, we keep crushing it. 642. Let's see what the strategy performance has to say. Oh, I thought I changed that. Didn't hold. Let's see here. Grid font. Let's get that bigger. My eyes are terrible. There we go. Okay, so this one I made 642. It was $122 worth of commission, so we're down to 500 and something, $10 maybe. 71%, which is pretty good. And do this every day, all month, 19,000. And not bad. And then the ES, that was, God, I thought I had them big on all of them. My eyes aren't the greatest anymore. Let's put it to 30. Yeah, that's too big. Yeah, that is too big. I don't want that. Grid font, 30. We'll go to 25. There. That'll work. Yeah, that's much better. Okay, we have commissions of $122. 3,000 is net profit, so roughly 2,999 something. These were 100%. This one, they got them for just right. Average trade was 161. What's the time? The average time in was 0.39 seconds. And if you did this all month, you would make $93,000 a month. So that is the true trade way of trading automation. Worst thing you got to do is multitask, keep all your everything in line, and most of the software will do all that. But yeah, great day. I'll thank you for watching, and I'll make some more videos.